Good day guys, today we're talking about how to release your money on PayPal from hold. So when PayPal places your funds on hold, it's usually because they need to verify the transaction. This happens most often with new accounts, new sellers, or unusual activity patterns. So what do you need to do to fix it? Firstly, of course, you need to go to your PayPal settings and make sure that your email, phone number, and identity verification are all completed. An unverified account is a common reason for delays. So you just go to your PayPal settings right here and make sure that your email, phone number, and identity verification are all completed. After that, you can add tracking information. If you sold an item or a service, click the transaction that's on hold, then select Add Tracking Info. And then enter the shipping carrier and tracking number. Once PayPal confirms the delivery, your funds usually release within 24 to 84 hours. Also guys, if for example your friend or maybe your family member sends you money, so they go to send and they start sending you, they will have a certain button, so I'll have to show you on the screenshot. So when they send you money, if they don't press confirm receipt in here, as you can see, this is what it looks like on the phone, and this is also the bigger version. So if they don't press it, you will have your transaction on hold, and the money that they are sending will not be released to you. And you will actually have to wait for about 20-something hours until they land. And if you wish to make this faster, ask them to confirm receipt, and after that your money will land much faster. And that's how you fix this issue, guys. If this helped, drop a like and check the link in the description for more PayPal guides and troubleshooting.